Over the past 12 years, I have talked with hundreds of parents who have a child or children with an autism spectrum disorder. Many call me panicked, usually because their child has had a near-death experience. I can hear the anxiety and emotional distress in their voices as they try to explain to me what had happened and what could have happened. I don't know whether you know, but many kids on the spectrum have no sense of danger. They often take off running when they feel overwhelmed, and few respond to their parents' desperate pleas of stop, watch out. If that wasn't enough to break your heart, often kids on the spectrum love trains. I work for an organisation called Righteous Pups Australia, and we are a team of professional and volunteers who have got together to train autism assistance dogs to track and find the child that's wandered off. Our dogs are also trained to tether and anchor the child so that they can't get to that train or those train tracks. We have an opportunity to save lives and to give some of these parents some much needed peace of mind. But we can't do it alone. Please donate today.